Hello again, it's me Shenell here, and today I have the A to Z Home Decor collab, and don't forget to click that little blue hashtag below the video that is playing. Today we have the letter L for laundry baskets or laundry hampers, and they come in many different forms, as you can see. Gone are the days of the big old plastic ones that we used to carry, but I don't want to offend anybody. Some people still do use them, and they are functional as well, and they come in lots of pretty colors as well. But there are so many other choices out there now. We have metal ones, we have fabric ones, we have these that you can fold up and put them away, ones with pretty script on them as well, like this one that I am featuring here, and this metal one in gold. So if you want to go with a traditional style basket, or if you want to go with something modern, a little bit edge to it, you can choose one of these that I have pictured here. And again, there is such a variety that is located out there in many different stores that you could choose from. I like these ones here that you can fold away, as you can see with my storage that I have under my front loaders, and they're easy to fold away and push in, and you don't have to see them anymore once you're done with them. So here I'm just going to show you how I use my metal one here. I really enjoy it. It's nice and small, so if I have a small assortment of laundry to do, I can fold them up really quickly. And I like this one also because it is open. As you can see, it has the beautiful metal handles that is easy to, know what I'm trying to say, that makes it a little easier to carry. I like the openness of it because it is airy, so the laundry continues to get circulation of air through it. So if you don't put them away right away, you can leave them in the basket and you don't have to worry about the freshness going away because of the open wire that is on it. So I hope you enjoy the video. You get you some inspiration for maybe choosing you a different type of laundry hamper or basket. This has been Shenell. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and definitely hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you all in the next one.